Pandora friends, my name is Leanne and I'm mad for Pandora. Welcome back to another video. Today I would like to share the purchases that I bought when I got this gorgeous little mouse ornament. Now, as you know, in Australia it was $119 spend to get this gorgeous little mouse. Now in New Zealand it was $129 and it is still available now. The promotion runs from the 9th of November to the 19th of November, or while stocks last. But he's pretty cute, wouldn't you agree? Now I know I've had a few people message on my video and let me know that, you know, their country only does it with the charm purchase as well. And we are really fortunate to have this as a gift with purchase in Australia. I'm not sure how I would have felt about getting told that you have to get a specific charm, especially when it's not exactly related to what the ornament is. In the past we have had different options where you get a charm with it or you have to get it separately. But Australia tends to do a lot of gift with purchases when it comes to the bangles at Christmas time, or even Mother's Day things and other promotions and stuff like that. So I am glad that we did get the gift with purchase option for the mouse. In saying that, my first item that I will unbox is directly related to the little ornament. Now, I wasn't necessarily getting this, but my husband was looking at it, and when we were about to pay and leave the store, he's like, "Oh, it's so cute." He said he wanted to get this for me. So how cute is this little mouse? Now I have a little bit of room on my Christmas bracelet. I've sort of been playing around with the design, so I'm sure I can find a place for this little mouse. Now I think in the other countries that this may have been a better option. But on the other hand, because this charm came out last year, maybe Pandora was thinking that people would already have it. So there are some differences between this ornament. It's still got the pink ears, although the little charm is definitely a richer pink. I'm not sure if they varied. My husband sort of picked this out with the sales lady, so we sort of didn't go through a lot of these. And then you've got the little red and white candy cane. It's basically doing the same thing. It's got these little paws sticking over the stocking. And you've got the beautiful texture on the stocking as well. But after that, if you turn this one around, you will notice that the charm has green and the ornament doesn't. Now Pandora doesn't do a lot of green on their Christmas charms, which is a bit disappointing in a way. But when I was looking at this, this has got Pandora 2023, which is great because obviously it came out this year. But I did notice the little charm had some writing, and it says "The Magic of Christmas." Now I do like how they've done that. It's a very pretty font. Mind you, it is pretty hard to read. And then we have the red bit on the end of the stocking. Now I was looking everywhere for the hallmarks and they are really, really hard to see. Now, where did I notice them? They're on the inside of the charm. Yeah, there they are. So they are going to be very tricky to see. I don't know that you'll be able to see them. But literally, if you look through the top of there, that's where the hallmarks are. I do not expect that you will be able to see them on the camera. I might be surprised when I watch this back though. But how cute is that? It's pretty cute. And I do have the little bear charm that I got a number of years ago that should go perfectly opposite this on my bracelet. So let me know if you bought this little charm last year or whether you plan on getting it this year. Because honestly, I don't know that I would have bought it except that it matches the ornament. Okay, the next one I'm going to unbox. Sometimes I wonder whether I need scissors for things like this. Okay, now I did manage to pick up a couple of the new Muranos. Now these are just called Shooting Star Grooved Muranos, and they are Murano glass. Now my idea for these is to put them on my Bee bracelet. I'm not sure whether I'll get these early because these are either my birthday or Christmas or anniversary present. Now it is really hard in store to actually pick out a couple of good ones because the lights are so bright and they pretty much all have the little line across them. I have noticed though that they're not absolutely perfect, so I guess that's, you know, like it's very hard for Pandora to wrap them in the gold foil and make a charm out of them. But I think they're pretty even. So on the sides they just have like a little shooting star, hence the name, and the hallmark. But honestly, when I look at them, I think they look a lot like my Bee bracelet. Now I have one more thing here. I wonder what this is going to be. Now I have done a bracelet with my hubby that is Pandora Rose. Not that there's a lot of Pandora Rose on it, but it has that accent sort of to the theme of the bracelet. And I've never really been happy with the centerpiece. So this is going to be an anniversary present. And I've been eyeing it off for a while. Oh, I've got paper going everywhere. Now, I don't know how many people have paid attention to this, and this might be one that you sort of only look at when someone's getting married, but it is also a good anniversary present. Now, this is called Married Couple Dangle Charm, and I was looking at this online, and the texture and the detail is just amazing. Now, going back a very long time, because we've been married for 30 plus years, this is very much what I had my hair like at the wedding, and that's super, super cute. So one day I will put this bracelet together, like now that I've finally got probably the final piece, and I will show you the bracelet, because I wasn't entirely happy with it. That's why I haven't shown it. So I was quite young when I got married, and so was my husband, so it's very much what we were like, I guess, when we were young. Now, there's a lot of detail in this charm, like there's a little flower or something there. Yeah, just lots of detail. He's got his hair and her hair. And the little hand. Beautiful dress. Yeah, I was really happy to actually go and find this, because I hadn't looked at it in store before, but I was looking at it online, and yeah, it's actually quite nice. And when it oxidizes a little bit, I'm sure the features will stand out even more on the couple. So how cute is that? Definitely might be one that, now that I've sort of shown you, might draw your eye to it. And it's just got the cubic zirconias around the bail. But it's an interesting shaped bail. It's more like a teardrop, which I'm thinking would be nice as a pendant as well as on a bracelet. So I've got the hallmarks there. Yeah, I'm really excited and happy to finally be going to get this soon. It's not my anniversary yet, but it's coming up. So I will have this, give this back to my husband. Okay, so I'll just pop these on. Not that this is how they will be, but and then we have the little mouse. So what do you think? Not too bad. Definitely 3 or 4 items that are quite different and will go on different bracelets. I was wondering about putting these shooting stars Muranos on my Christmas bracelet this year before they find their permanent home, but my husband tells me I'm not getting them till Christmas, so I already will have had to have done my Christmas bracelet. So we'll see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got as my purchases. But yeah, I did spend a bit more than the 119, but I think I did pretty well considering I got the 15% off discount. And yeah, I hope you get to pick up this gorgeous little mouse, especially if you're collecting the other ornaments. And yeah, until next time, take care.